Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about this 2017 Lexus Is350. So to get to your first one, you'll be right under the steering wheel, right in here. So to get to it, all you gotta do is just pop it open, just like that. And there's your fuses. And the location is on this cover. So to close it, all you gotta do is line it up. Make sure it's secured. That is it. To get to your OBD port, we will locate it under the steering wheel, right in here. That's if you want to plug in your computer or to pass the EQ. And to get to your other ones, it's gonna be under the hood. Pop the hood. To get to your second one, it's gonna be right in here. It says relay and fuses. To open it, you just click here, and that comes up. And there's your relays and fuses. The location is gonna be right in here. So to close this, just line it up, just like this. There you go. And your third one will be on the other side. To get to your third one, right in here. This is the driver's side. To open it, just click in here. Same way, thumbs up. There's your fuses, relays, and the location is right in here. Close it, you line it up. And there's a fourth one, but it's more like a relay box. It's right in here. What you do is just push here, and that comes off. There's only one here right now. You might have more. And there's a location of it. To close it, you just line it up. And this will be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.